Friends, now in this video session we are going to learn about how to enable part numbers in Tally application, and it's very easiest. And if say in automobiles, it is very helpful to find out exact product. Instead of finding a product name, it is easy to find out the product code, right? So now we are going to discuss about how to enable part numbers in Tally application for the items. So now I'm just going to create some automobile products in the Tally application. So just go to inventory and the stock items and just go to create, right? Inventory, stock items, create. When you are trying to create, for example, here I'm going to create 13.5 mm wheel. Here I'm going to create 13.5 mm wheel. Then simply select a primary and the measurement as numbers and not applicable. So if you want, when you are making the building, it is difficult to remember 13.5 mm wheel. It is easy to remember. See, in any company, any manufacturing company, always for easy to understand, they used to maintain in codes, right? Okay, that means 13.5 mm wheel. That means okay, 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 is a code number for 13.5 mm wheel. When we are getting the goods, we are getting the goods from our manufacturing company as in the name of codes. Our for example, our Bajaj automobile. So Bajaj company is going to deliver the goods as in the name of codes, and we are giving and we are communicating with our bike owner. That means the customer as in the name of okay wheelchair. Are you understanding? We are communicating with the customer as in the name of 13.5 mm wheel. But when we are communicating within the store, we used to communicate with our employees as in the name of codes only, because they already as per the company rules and regulation, the coding is the easiest way to find out the goods, right? So it is very simple. Directly from when you are creating the item, directly you just press F12 and there you just activate a part numbers feature in Tally application. So simply enable provide a part number for stock items, yes, and then you may find out that here it is activated as part numbers. So what is the code? 1 2 3 4 is nothing but part number I just created, and here I'm going to create 13.66 mm wheels. The part number is 1236, and again measurement as the numbers and save. And here I'm going to create backdoor code is 996 for example. So here I just created only 3 products, right? So the meanwhile when you go for accounting voucher or in the sales voucher, in the purchase voucher when we are getting the bill from Bajaj company, so if you want to come down, just creating a blank ledger for purchases. It is not much custom. Here see, now on the bill the code mentioned as okay, the code mentioned as 9987. So a person who is sitting in the counter, he don't know what exactly it is, so simply enter 9987. So when you enter 9987, automatically system is going to select as backdoor. Okay, the backdoor 9987 is a code for backdoor. If you want to select backdoor, it is going to display as backdoor only. If you want to enter 9987, it is going to convert the 9987 into the coding, right? So this is how it works. And when you are doing a billing in the sales voucher, when you are doing billing in the sales voucher, if you either you may select the code or even you may select the direct product. If for example, if you are giving to the customer that is about 1246, then 1236, then you enter 1236, and when you enter 1236, system is going to convert the 1236 is nothing but 13.66 mm wheel, right? So it's very easy to make easiest building the part numbers in Tally application. Thank you.